In this Elementor WordPress tutorial video, I will show how to fix inner section not showing up in Elementor, or how to bring back inner section in Elementor WordPress. After updating Elementor, you might not see inner section in Elementor. Okay, it might it being replaced with container instead, but you might still want to work with Elementor inner section, as you might be used to it and you might like it and you like the system. So here is what you can do to bring inner section back over here and remove this container system. Okay. So firstly, what you need to do, you need to go to the website backend over here. Then you need to go to Elementor and then settings. Okay. Then you need to go to features, and then you need to scroll down and you see container. And now you see container is active. You click on this drop down and you choose it to be inactive. Okay, you will deactivate it. Great. So if you deactivate it, all the things you have built with container system will be hidden. Okay. So now if I go to this page over here, opened up Elementor page filter, and if I refresh it, okay, and I'm refreshing it. Okay, now you see that container system is gone. Now you get this intersection. If I add a, so you see this is, you get back the old system, columns system. Okay, I can add over here, I can add an element and I can drag and drop the intersection over here. So you see this is a column and this is an column. Okay, and you can duplicate the column, etc. Edit column, duplicate column. So there is no more container over here. Okay, so this is how you can easily bring back intersection in Elementor. And I hope that you found this video useful, and if you did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.